In this video, we will go over the unboxing and assembly of your GoGo LX 3-wheel travel mobility scooter with CTS suspension by Pride Mobility. After removing all pieces from the shipping box, start by connecting the front section to the rear section. Next, insert your seat post tube and insert one of the larger clevis pins located in with your instruction manual. Install your battery pack. Next, carefully remove the padding from your steering tiller and the sticker from over your keyhole. Grab your keys from the same bag you found your clevis pin and insert them into the scooter's keyhole. Slide your basket into the basket mount. Now place your seat on the seat post. Insert the armrest into the armrest mount. Use one of the smaller clevis pins and tighten down your tightening knob, and repeat this on the other side. You will need to unlock your steering by turning the steering lock knob counterclockwise. Before using your new scooter, be sure to charge the battery for at least 4 hours. If you have any other questions regarding this process, call AutoMobility store at 1-800-431-3183.